What is the teddy bear saying? Hi, teddy bear. Did you eat na, teddy bear?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Ay, not yet. What did they prepare? Why didn't you eat it?
Hug.
You get
Also.
and teddy bear eat yet? When
Mama.
Ay, Mama also.
Why
Hug daw the teddy bear, Mama.
Hug.
Hug. Why teddy bear didn't eat yet? Miguel ate your food? Huh? Did you eat your food?
Ay. Oh, put the first. Wala, hiding the teddy bear.
Ano daw?
Hiding the teddy bear in the bird of Miguel. Ala!
Ah, the teddy bear is dirty. Don't put it in your bird.
Hug. That.
I will hug. Wait lang.
Hug.
Oh, hug! Put this one first.
Hug.
And you hug.
Bye-bye.
Why? Me?
No. No. Okay, bye. Right there. Go there.
Me?
I love.
Loko. See?
See?
Aba.
Right. That. Right. Right.
Gimme. You will just put this one. Do not remove.
Teddy bear. Hug. Bye-bye. Teddy bear. Die.
Excuse me first. We'll put this one first.
Where's Ali? El, where's Ali?
Where's Ali?
Where's Ali?
Like iPad.
Playing iPad?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Where's Mama?
How about Mana? Where's Mana?
Give me. Where's Mana?
Where's Mana?
Time to bed.
Huh?
Time to bed.
Ay,
Where?
Papo Bill.
I didn't hear you. What was that? Where is she?
Where's Mana?
Where's Mana?
Look, where's Mama? That's time to bed.
Put pants. Excuse me.
How about Lola? Where's
Where's Lola
Lola?
daw? Mama is talking to you. Where's Lola?
Where's Lola?
Excuse me first. Where's Lola daw?
Oh,
Ha?
hawakan mo siya. Hawakan mo siya. Hawakan mo siya, Janisa.
Hello, excuse me first. You put this one. The other one, please. Thank you. Yes, you close that na. It's cold. Close. Where's Teddy bear na? I'll go and get it. Fell down. Here. Ay, Mama also. Mama
Can you sing, ano?
Teddy bear.
Can you sing Rain, Rain, Go Away?
Mama is hiding there, the teddy bear.
Mama. Come on, Rain, Rain, Go Away so that it won't rain there.
Bah.
Sige na. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Miguel wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Sige na. Sing na. Yeah, you sing.
Ay, no, not in
Janice, ikaw nga. Pantayin mo. Don't do that to the laptop. You want the laptop destroyed? You won't use anything anymore.
We'll see the rain, we will sing. Yes.
Sing man, sing. So that the rain will stop.
Okay. We'll see the rain.
Rain, go away. Come again another day. Miguel wants to play. Rain, go away. Kita amang nga ikigaman data wire. Ha? Where will you go?
You stay here. Oh, come here.
Diyan ka sa left side niya ha, para hindi niya hawakan yung mga kable dyan.
No more. Tomorrow again. Tomorrow again. Rain, go away. Huh? Yeah. Do not close. There's rain, no? Hello, the rain is coming, no? Sing nga. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Miguel wants to play. Rain, go away. You also.
Sige na, Miguel.
Aray ko. What is that? In the incy-wincy spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun. What is that again? What is it? Meow. Meow? Meow! In the tree! No more! Stay! Waiting to go out! In the gate! Yes, waiting will go out. Find food. Yes. Daddy, is the food waiting? No, not the... Sing na! The incy-wincy spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the incy-wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Hooray! Huh? Sing. You also are? Sing! Sing. The wincy spider. The incy-wincy spider climb up in the nose of Miguel. Yay! Down came the rain. Aray. No, that's painful. Look at there, oh. Oh, is it leaving? Where? There. Where will you go? I will hide. Okay, give me. Excuse me first. Where are you? Where are you? Do not close the door, please. Tomato is using thick wood. Where's Tom? Next agad? What is that? This is Emma. This is Billy. Crab. Yeah. I will get your other book. We will see na. See, what did you do? Yes. I will get. Make it fast, please. Later, you stay here first. This one I have here, oh. You sit down properly. What number is this? No. 1. Pineapple. 2. What is this? Banana. This one. 3. What is this? What is this? This one, oh. No. Orange. Yes. Who is this? 3. Oranges. What number is this? No. 4. 4 guavas. This one, no guava. Yes. This is the guava tree. Yes. There's next. Here. 5 limes. What is this?
What's that?
Show to Mama, where is
Huh?
Swiper? Show to Mama. Where is Swiper? Where? Here.
How about where's where's Goose?
Enough na. Oh, look. What is this? Look.
Mama.
Oh, there. You go there. What is that again? We'll color na. Here, I have here. Oh, you sit down. You go and sit down first. I will give you paper. Sit down first. Sit down properly.
No, like that.
Like that only?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Give me that.
Oh, here. Wipe your nose.
No.
What will you get? What will you get? Give me that. Ay, no.
Smaller. No.
What did you do? Ah, you want that? Give me first. I will remove this one. Then you put your crayons there. Oh, get your crayons and then put it there. Oh, get your crayons. Here, oh. No, do not remove that one. You put your crayons inside that one. Oh, you put your crayons. Yeah. Put your crayons. Put it properly. This is your bag, oh. What will you put here?
Yeah.
What will you put?
Yeah. Oh no, mate.
Your bag is not kasha there in the file case.
Yay!
This one will stay in your back.
No.
Yay! You color nga. Here, oh.
No.
Just put it here. Say hi to your mama. Say hi to mama.
No.
What?
Hi, Dad. Mama. Hi, Dad.
Mama, find the crayons.
Crayons.
Find the crayons, mama. Where's the crayons?
Crayon? La, where did you put the crayon? Is it under the blanket?
No.
Yes, Iman, under the blanket?
Oh, yeah.
Under the blanket? No. It's under the ubo.
Ah!
Then where? I said it's under your ubod. Ay, Tero, I see the crayon. Tero, the crayon, oh. Under your ubod. You draw man, Yarod? You draw man? Can you draw a dog? No, you draw man a dog. Where's your paper and your pencil or your crayon?
No. Hi, Dad.
Marunong na ba siyang mag-color?
Medyo po.
Malala na niya maghawak ng
Alam mo
crayon.
niya, te.
Kamusta na yung mga crayon niya?
Pumupunta sa kanal.
Bakit?
Kung sawa na sila, tinatapon.
Nakukuha niyo
Oo,
naman.
te.
Nakukuha niyo
Oo, te,
naman.
nakukuha naman.
There, the crayon. I found the crayon na.
I will help you.
It's all there.
Me also, I will help you find the crayons. Where's the crayons? Find the crayons. Where's the crayons? Where's the crayons?
Where?
Where's the crayons?
There.
Where?
Mama.
Ito, Yaya.
Sitting there.
Here. 1, 2, 2, 3,
3. Crayon.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here, we'll draw house.
Yellow. No, I'll make the car. Make the car. Make the car.
What color is this? No, red.
Elephant.
Purple. What color is this?
Purple.
This one.
Pink.
Red.
Red.
What color is that?
Purple and dirt. Purple and dirt. Yeah, you put in dirt.
Please.
Uh,
Please.
other one.
Say please. Please.
Please.
Yaya.
uh,
Put it
put it
in my
in my
finger.
finger.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone.
No more.
Look, this is the. Oh no!
There is sound.
Perfect. Ouch! My finger.
Happen.
You draw man a dog.
You draw man a dog.
You know how to draw a
You
dog.
know how to draw a
Yeah.
dog?
Yeah.
Oh, sige na.
Yun.
Or
Oh, sige
Yaya,
na.
draw a
Or
dog.
Yaya draw a dog.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh no, mine.
Excuse me. You go there, on the bed.
You. Ouch! I got. Huh? Huh? Six. Seven. How you got it?
What other one?
Yeah!
Yay.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
No, stop na. Ano to?
What is that? No. No, 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 no. Not close.
I like that.
What is that?
I like that.
What is that?
What?
Wipe in your mouth.
May wipe in your mouth.
I make the doggy.
You draw your house nga.
I like when. I like when.
No. It will lalata. Excuse me first.
I like that.
What is that? That is not a toy. See? Give me first the ano. Oh, here. Oh, you play that.
No.
What?
I like something that.
What something? The laptop will fall, ah?
Yeah?
Yes?
Yes?
Be careful.
Okay, cool.
Be careful. What will you get?
Oh, something.
What is that? Go down na. Go down. What will you get? Oh, go down na. Go down na. And now you will watch Mr. Bean.
Yes.
You want Mr. Bean or Tom and Jerry?
No.
What do you want? What will you watch? Stop climbing. Thank you. Where's the file case? I will put it there. Oh, you wait. I will get. Excuse me. You move. Oh, okay. Put it here. Yay! What is your name again? Miguel. Benedict. Ano? Rialina. Where will you go? Where will you go? Where will you go? Bye-bye. Where will you go? Huh? You go inside. I will get another toy. You stay inside.
Very good.
I have toy. Ha ha ha. Oh, sit down. Come here. No, this one will stay here. I'll be the one na. You go there na. You go there. There, there. Cannot see the one. You come na. You go there na. Sige, there's sipon there. There's no. Very big spider. Oh no! Amin na. Yeah.
Go.